Today I'd like to present to you the Epomaker Carbon60, one of the lightest keyboards in the world. It's made of carbon fiber, which is like super sick, and I thought they only use that for car parts, but here we are. Now we have a carbon fiber keyboard, so also stick around to the end because Epomaker also sent me a super sick keyboard as a gift. Then stick around. Epomaker Carbon60, very light. Oh yeah, 60% QMK via carbon fiber, low profile, hot swappable tri-mode, mechanical keyboard. I'll save the other one for the end. No more wasting time. Let's just look at it. I want to see it. Give it to me. Epomaker Carbon60. It's a 60% layout, 61 keys. It's got a Type-C and Bluetooth connection. Windows, Mac, Linux. It all works. 3000 mAh battery, 23.6 hours of battery life with the backlight on, 176 hours. With it off. Would you look at that? And it's got a little strap on it. That's so cute. This is very light. This is, oh yeah, I like this. It's got the Gateron red switches. It's almost silent too. Ooh my God. Look at that. I can't believe that's real carbon fiber. That's so cool. I've felt carbon fiber before, dude, and it's legit. Like, they're not joking. It is so light. Hold on. Buy the keyboard. Buy the Carbon60. Epomaker's what you want. There you go. Obsbot, relax, I'm trying to make a joke. Anyways, carbon fiber, check it out. Isn't that cute? Look at it. It's got just a little strap. We got a power cable, 2 extra switches, and a dongle. We got the switch and the keycap puller in one. Very nice. A little logo on it. We got the little snack and some spare keycaps. That's carbon fiber, baby. My good. I like this. It's like nice and portable, small, 61 keys. What more could you ask for? Wow. I like it. I mean, it's simple, it's nice, it's effective, it's cute. If you're a car enthusiast, it's probably pretty cool, or like a motorcycle type of guy or something. You like car parts? If you're a car guy, you like carbon fiber. I don't give a shit who you are. Everybody likes carbon fiber, okay? It's just expensive. Okay, let's get a sound test going, shall we? Not bad, not bad. It's pretty quiet. It's pretty quiet, which I appreciate. I like quiet keyboards because I hate hearing my keyboard sound through my headphones. Okay, so now we're going to plug in the Carbon60, see what it looks like. Oh yeah, she's pretty. I like that. Okay, so it is FN plus this one. Ooh. Whoa. What's up with those keys? Oh, it's because when I hold down function, it highlights those for some reason, but there's nothing wrong with it. Unless that's indicative of a problem, but that doesn't bother me. Yes, buy it. Q Hypnotoad, buy keyboard, yes. So now we're gonna game with it, and yeah, we'll see how it feels, because this is, I mean, clearly like a gaming keyboard. I have high hopes, and it's so short actually that I really don't need a wrist rest. That's how short it is, honestly, and that's very rare. I know that normally I play games on the channel and I test the keyboard out for gaming, but I'd be remiss not to mention the fact that for the most part, the main marketing focus of this here keyboard is the strap, the portability, the lightweightness. It's more suitable for like office workers, frequent travelers because of its low profile keycaps. It's lightweight and it's got a portable strap. Stick it in a backpack, take it to work. You got a little portable monitor, you know, you got a little Bluetooth keyboard you connect to your phone, or if you got like Samsung Dex or whatever, it's a great little productivity tool. Like I said, stick it in a backpack, forget about it. Even if you wanted to just like travel with it in the box is very small and like low profile, so you could even you know, just take the box with you. There's not much wasted space in the box. So if you work in an office and you want to game secretly and you don't want your manager to know, Carbon60 is where it's at, brother. And you heard it here first on the NoodleNick channel. Overall impressions, I love it already. So let's hop into a game. What are you doing? 2, 1. Okay, hold on a second. Let me rethink my life and fix my microphone. Pretend like I didn't just get embarrassed. What's wrong with my aim? Okay, we're getting wrecked. I am not being a good team player right now. Okay, we need to lock in. We are losing bad.
Hill control. Hill lost. Kingslayer.
Did I just die? Where am I? Bro, look at the score. You guys can't see it, but it's 7-66. It is not ideal. Come here. I'm sick of you. Nah, you can't hit me. You're fucking trash. Come here so I can bat you. Come here.
Hill control. Double kill. Hill control.
I'm sick of this.
Hill control. Killing spree.
Okay, so Fiesta, you just get to switch your weapons. That's way more fun. Watch this.
Hill contested. Double kill.
Peace.
Triple kill. Hill control.
Come back here, buddy.
Lost. Killing spree. Hill contested.
Woo!
Hill contested.
Oh! Oh yeah! Hey, bro. Watch that portal, dog. Hey, y'all stay away now.
Hill control.
Can't stop me with the rocket.
Hill contested. Hill lost. Kingslayer. Double kill.
I'm behind the wall there.
Hill lost. Hill lost.
Y'all saw that. Quit playing.
Hill control. Kingslayer.
You think you got the hill early, huh, buddy?
Minute remaining.
You're funny.
Hill moved. Hill control. Hill contested. Double kill. Hill control. Hill contested. Hill lost. Hill contested. Tied the leader. Gained the lead. Lost the lead. Overtime. Game over.
Woo! I won in my book. Let's go, bro. Oh my god. Power of the carbon fiber on my side, dog. F with me next time. Who's the king of the hill? Who's the king of the hill? Who? That's right, it's NoodleNick. Let's run it back. Oh my god, I'm going up against aimbot, not aimbot Kevin. Bro. Aimbot Kevin. Y'all don't know nothing about aimbot Kevin. See, here's the thing about aimbot Kevin. He's really good at this game.
3,
I think we can still win though.
1.
With the Carbon60 on our side, if we lose, I'm blaming Epomaker. Alright, I'm calling it now. It's Epomaker's fault. I think I could work with the bat.
Gained the
See,
lead.
we can work with that. Oh, okay, maybe not.
5 minutes remaining. Gained the lead.
Why is this guy not missing? Come back here so I can finish you, buddy. He's AFK now? He gave up? Got him. Tricked him. Big brain.
Double kill.
Thanks, Epomaker.
Killing spree. Double kill. Double kill. Triple kill.
Hey, where'd you go, buddy? Where are we going?
Collection agency.
Where does this portal go? Hey, there's somebody beneath me? Oh, he's got a... Okay, I'm behind the wall there. That's cringe. Come back.
kill. Triple kill.
I heard it, but I didn't see that one coming. Woo! Hey, what's up, buddy? How you doing?
Game over. Victory.
Let's see it. Is it cool? Let's find out. That was pretty cool. All right, well, that was the Carbon60. I like it, I love it, and I want some more of it, okay? It was really good. I don't have no problems. It's a little loud, but again, you can get silent switches for it, you know. It's a cute little thing, and I like the little strap. I like the little handle. Definitely usable for games. Highly recommend. Yes. 60 out of 60. All right, now that the Carbon60 portion of the video is over, thanks for sticking around if you're still here. They sent me another gift. This is the keyboard that I originally requested from them. So we got the Dynatab 75. This is so, yes, I'm so glad I got the purple one. I couldn't remember which one I got. Ah, look at the cable. Look at how beautiful that look. Oh, with like a leather strap. Dude, this keyboard is only $70. Oh, look at that. All right, holy crap, this thing is freaking sick, dude. Look, I'm gonna just pull this. I'm gonna pull the peel off with you guys. You ready for it? I'll bring it up close for you. How about that? Oh yeah, look at that. Oh, that little bit of residue there. Oh, so good. Oh my god, am I pulling the screen off? I think I was pulling the screen a little bit. Oops, okay, I should have been a little more careful with that. My bad. It's fine though, it's still on there. I'm sure it works. Oh my god. That is so freaking pretty, dude. There's no way. There's no way. That's awesome. What does this do? Oh. Oh. Oh, I need this. I have this, but I need it. I need 3 of these. I need the black one too. Oh, the black. Okay, so this one isn't ombre, by the way. Just the black one's ombre. But I didn't get the black one because it doesn't have key symbols on it, and I don't know what my keys are supposed to look like. FN plus insert. Whoa. Bro, this thing is so cool. Oh. Wow. Oh, wow. This is legitimately the coolest keyboard in the whole world, hands down. This is the coolest thing I've ever seen in my life. I'm not even, like, no cap. Like, this is such overkill. This is like the YouTuber keyboard. This is like all you would ever need. Create content right here, baby. That's awesome. Huh? Hey, that's sick, dude. Look at that. Heck yeah, bro. I did that myself. Let's go, dude. All right, Dynatab software. Let me know what you think down below of the 2 keyboards, especially the Carbon60. That one is super awesome, and you know, I'll leave the link for both in the description. Let me know what you think of Epomaker down below. I think that that they're doing some pretty cool stuff over there, so I hope they keep it up, and I hope you guys keep it up and keep watching my videos. It really means a lot, and I'll see you in the next tech review. Bye bye.